Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm going to be making a purple cabbage citrus coleslaw, and I'm going to be pairing it with something, my choice. You can pair it with whatever you would like. I'm also going to be using pears in this recipe. It's super simple, super delicious, great for any warmer weather coming up. We hope. Anyway, without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! For our purple cabbage citrus coleslaw, we're going to be using purple cabbage, of course, a Belgium Endive, some carrots, juice from an orange, but not the entire juice. We're gonna get some lemon juice. I'm gonna incorporate some pear into this, some ginger, and some cilantro. So let's get started here. We're cutting off the bottom of our cabbage, cutting it in half, and then cutting this half in half. I'm using my fancy vegetable peeler to make the shreds. You're welcome to use your food processor with the shredding attachment. We're going to want to get 2 cups of cabbage. Now on to peeling the carrots. I have another peeler which creates julienne pieces of our carrot, which I'm using. If you prefer, you can shred your carrot with a box grater or another method. I'm going to cut these long julienne pieces in half to make them more manageable. Pop them in our bowl with our cabbage. See that beautiful color? As for Belgium Endive, we're simply going to slice it crosswise. We'll add our thin slices into our bowl. And I have a bundle of cilantro I'm slicing up. Add it to our bowl. I have 1 yellow bell pepper I'm slicing up and slicing it into thin strips. Pop our bell pepper into our bowl and we're on to our pear. I'm going to create some matchstick pieces of our pear. You're welcome to use apple or jicama. Add it in our bowl here. We're going to mix everything up evenly. Ideally in a bigger bowl, so you have more room to work with. I'm juicing some lemon here, and I'm going to get about 3 tablespoons worth. Next, we're going to get some freshly squeezed orange juice out of this orange, and we're going to get 3 tablespoons worth. We're adding half a cup of olive oil to this jar and all of our citrus. Now I'm microplaning some ginger and I'm going to use a teaspoon's worth. You can adjust this to your taste. Now I'm adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne and some salt and pepper to taste. I'm adding a teaspoon of maple syrup for sweetness. Feel free to use raw sugar or agave. I'm adding in a 1/3 cup at a time of our dressing. Feel free to adjust how much dressing you would like to add. It will probably be a little bit less since I'm using the dry measuring cup. Remember, you can always add more, but you cannot subtract. I'm pairing this coleslaw with our Very Good Butcher vegan meatballs with some mushroom gravy and some pierogies with some vegan sour cream. Feel free to share what you paired yours with. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try it. Our delicious purple cabbage citrus coleslaw with our pear. Nice balance with the citrus, the ginger, the oil. Perfect. And that pop of pear is very nice. This can also be used to top your veggie burgers or your pulled jackfruit. Incorporated into some tacos, perhaps. Some sweet potato tacos, mushroom tacos, tofu tacos. And I have my vegan meatballs here from the Very Good Butcher with some mushroom gravy here. We got some pierogies. So there you have it, everyone. Another simple recipe to add to your recipe booklets. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. I post a new video every Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern because I'm keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!